Hey guys, so I was looking on how to possibly fix the issue with the Canon T7, the EOS Rebel, not focusing. Now the problem is that this camera is not built really that much for the manual focus. It's really good for autofocus. So with manual focus, if you have the manual focus, it's hard to focus it perfectly. However, I would say that with auto mode, try aperture at its lowest. If that doesn't work out, use settings on the camera to try detecting the lens, and if it shows a different lens, it's a problem. If it says that something wrong and doesn't detect the lens, try another lens, elsewhere it's a lens problem. So this is another thing that you can try to do. And if you can, for example, use different lenses, if you can have same results, then you know is like the camera related. And also this person wrote here is that if you're manually focusing the lens, then do not blame the gear if the image is not focused to your satisfaction. I should know that T7 is optimized for using autofocus lenses, not manual focusing by the user. This means it's not easy to, because they're not manually focusing aids built into the camera. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit. Have a great day and goodbye.